Okay, guys, wait. I found Marshall. Marshall is sleeping. Let's just take her to the Paw Patrol house. Okay. Oh, it's a Paw Patrol house. Okay, so let's find Chantrain. I think he's in this plant. Oh, look! There's something in the plants. You see it? I'm gonna zoom in. Look, it's a bubble. Okay, let's now start filming it. I think she's in the dog garden. Oh, hello, Chantrain.
Hi, where's Marshall?
Marshall is in Paw Patrol house. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start part 6 now. Bye, guys.